Good afternoon, everybody. So, if you're watching this, and the blue is Beau, the green is Gus, the pink is Willow, and Kiera's little girl is in the gray, and the yellow is Adriana's. Okay, so the purple one, purple girl, is not taken. She's the only one left out of this litter. Well, there they go. They're actually starting to move around. Mom's woken them up. I mean, they're waiting to be fed. That's why they're, but I thought, oh, look, you can see them all moving, and you know which one is yours because of the color. Gus is green, Beau is blue, Willow is pink, Kiera's little girl is gray, Adriana's little girl is yellow. Oops. Get in there, Gus. Oh, we'll come from this end. Yep, there you go. Did you get it? No, oh, down. Oh, I kind of have to set this for a sec. Okay, there you go. Underneath. There. Okay, go under there. Sorry about that. Just trying to rearrange everybody so that everybody's got a teat. And they're all putting on weight. I weigh them every 2 to 3 days. And when I deworm them, I weigh them before the deworming, and then I will weigh them 48 hours afterwards, because the deworming can give them a little bit of runny poo. So I just don't want them to lose any weight and not gain it back right away, because if I had 2 days where they didn't gain weight or had lost weight because of the deworming, you know, a couple grams or something, because I weigh them with grams, so it's a lot more accurate than just like pounds. And if they lost weight from the deworming within 24 hours, that would be okay. But then the next 24 hours, if they did not pop right back with that weight, there would be reason to call the vet. So that's why I weigh them just before and just after, and then I weigh them regularly to make sure that everybody's gaining weight and everything, because, you know, the only way you can the only way you can tell if they're healthy is if they're gaining weight and doing all their milestones, which they are doing. Look at their tails. So cute. And that is Willow. Look at her tail. Yeah, so not much to see right now. Well, they're going to get off their nipple and see if they can switch around and find a not sucked on nipple yet. And there's about 3 or 4. There's about 3 or 4 nipples that, if you can get them, you get 2 full nipples. You don't have to work so hard. And they switch. Sometimes they'll switch and they'll go, oh, geez, all I smell is my sibling on this nipple. I better get back to my own. So, yeah, see, just like she just did. And there's her nipple right there. She knows, oh, this is my smell. Yeah, this is the one I was sucking on. They're pretty cute. No movement. Oh, look at that. Burrowing in the blankets. They're all so cute. They look a lot bigger than these guys, and, you know, ultimately, they're probably going to, these guys are probably going to be, at the most, 5 pounds more than these. But we've also had small ones. So these puppies, they look really chubby right now because Meeka's got a lot of milk and it's very, very rich. She's like her mother that way. And they get very, very fat. But once they start really moving around and they're out of the pool, they'll stop looking more like Jabba the Hutt and more like little cute puppies. I mean, they're cute, period, but they'll look more puppy-like instead of just all belly. But it takes that nice big milk belly to get them growing nice and healthy. They're pretty cute. We only got one black and white. I love her markings. And she's, well, that is a girl. And then the little girl over here, she looks black, but she's really dark brown. Just like Beau. Beau is dark too. See, this is Beau. He's dark brown compared to, you know, chestnutty. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Yes, just like Kiera's little girl. Dark, beautiful markings. That's a tricolor, brown, white, black. Beautiful markings. And this crest on the top of the head, this white feathery looking thing, is what they call imperial markings. Yes. She's so cute. And that's how big she is. In my hand. And look how cool she is. Like, she's not squirming around. She's nice and she loves being held. Did you want to get back in the melee, honey? She wasn't even in there. She's probably gotten full already. Sometimes they get really full really fast and then they got to take a little break in order to digest a little and then go back and eat some more. But there they go. Yeah. Someone's dreaming underneath the covers over there. Yeah. So cute. Meeka is named appropriately. She's very meek and She's very mellow. Although strangers come to the door, she'll bow row row row. Mommy taking a nap. Daddy-o over there. And you can see how big Parker is, or how small he is. And you can see the size of Sarah. Sarah's going to be 1 year old July 2nd. She's got a little bit more, her hair is a little bit longer than his because he was just groomed. She was groomed a month or so before. And she's just a little bit bigger than him. And I'll be taking everybody into the vet just so that I can get everybody weighed and I know how much they all weigh again. And there's Mikey, Shelby, the original pair. Yep, then came Susie. Then came Meeka. Then we went and got Parker. Shelby's actually from Trailer Park out Onion Lake Road. Mikey's from Etobicoke. Parker is from the other side of Sault Ste. Marie. And Susie's actually from Innisfil, about 20 minutes outside of Barrie. So I wanted to make sure that I didn't have a whole bunch of dogs just from Thunder Bay area because I didn't want any, interbreeding. I wanted to make sure that the genes were from way over there and these genes are from way over there. And so Mikey's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mikey's had 4 or 5 litters total. So there's enough of his puppies out there. Although I have people from outside of Thunder Bay that come to get them too. I had one lady come from the other side of Fort Frances. I've got one lady coming, or a friend in town is taking the puppy to her, and she lives on this side of Marathon. So but we've also got 2 girls that just live down the block, both Shelly and Mikey's. Come on, you guys, let's get away from the door before you start barking. But I should end this. Sassy's going to be coming soon. I got to get the dogs out on the deck. Have a great day.